We are going to make grain spawn. We bought this grain from the market, and this is how it looks like. So it is sorghum. So this is our sorghum. This is how it looks like. So what we are going to do, we are going to put it here. Now, this is the sorghum. What we are going to do, we are going to wash it. After washing it, we will boil it. After boiling it, we are going to put it in the bottles and then put in the pressure cooker. Eno yona trafuna obuchupa buragina nko pressure cooker. Tukole honto ito. Eh? Hateki tura. Kanda ati. Tubudom. Yongera mama hizi. Nija batantaka gombono mkazi we nalo. Ivo mkazi takuntu akagombo. Ala. Iyo. Kandi mkuchwera kyomu. Nyowe manyire bine ebyawe byo kuhimbe kidomoro. Yo matize ukiri. Kandi obo ivo kunsensero muguso mutima. Hey! Ogunsensero mutima. Nkukurora no gusensa.
Ogo gufuire twina kuguyihaho. Hankini tuguyihaho ogumukurora ntunaga. Chikumanyisa ngunu gufuire. Obutukuba tuguteyire mu mbibo yaitu tugusobora kukora ekitukwenda.
Manana.
Twina kuyihaho gunu. Tukasigaza
ebirungi. Iyo tudoma amaizi. Tutadoma
kubintu kwenda kasengeke. Akasengeke twina kasengeke. Ati Iva tujja kusaba tugulira kasengeke.
Iva tugulire ya kasengeke.
Okikengere.
Ati munu Iva munu hakwe. Tuteke.
Aba twogeze twogiyemo.
Yogiyemo train yatabukid. Train it turned into a trailer. Yabajja tubagenda tuija. Ningamba bakuvuga kubi bajja kubatera. Bangamba bitter turned into beaten. Ati tuteke mu. Let's put here. Bitter turned into beaten. So we are washing our grain. Make sure that it is clean. And this is specifically for lion's mane. Oyster mushrooms are easy. You can just boil and do it. But with lion's mane, we are trying as much as possible to ensure that we reduce on the infection. Okay?